everybody, or should I say bonjour tout le monde, because today we are talking about products that I purchased in Paris. If you saw my other video where I did a little mini haul when I was in London, I decided I should do the same thing for you guys with some fabulous things from France. Unfortunately, I didn't quite have the weather and or lighting for the video while I was there, but I promise it will be no less fabulous doing it here because I have bought all of them back with moi to share with you, and we will pretend we are in Paris, which is such a gorgeous city, and let me tell you, has the most amazing selections for beauty. I mean, just walking into like their pharmacies and things, or it's just like drool, like aisles of hair care and skincare galore, and they're all like really beautiful brands, and I could have gone on and on forever. I did manage to edit it down for you, and we touched on hair, face, and body, like the other one, like the other video from London, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. So let's go from the top down. We'll do hair first. Now, these next few products, I actually do have some experience with Phyto Paris. I used it years ago. I'm always looking to up the hair game. Very high maintenance with the blonde. So I wanted to try again, because it's been ages, Phyto Balm, which is a, can't quite, oh, there you go, a little better, which is kind of a very lightweight conditioner, and Phyto Rum, which is a shampoo for devitalized hair. So what I remember about this one, the Phyto Rum, is this amazing smell that's kind of like this rummy pina colada smell. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Eggnog. Oh, it's like eggnog. Oh, duh, well, rum. Yeah. Yes. So, glug, glug, glug. It smells delicious. They used to come in like these big glass containers that I love, but I guess they've switched to aluminum. So this always really did a wonderful job kind of revitalizing the hair, giving it lots of moisture. And then the Phyto Balm is a really nice, it's lightweight, but still gives great hydration and moisture to the hair. So super excited to try both of those again. And now, since I was picking up some Phyto, I had to try these guys. These you'll recognize, they are so famous. The Phyto hair and nail vitamins. These were made famous years ago. Apparently Jennifer Aniston swears by them. It's been probably a decade since I've tried them, so I figured it was time. And this is like a 4-month supply. So I'm really gonna be able to get a good feel for it and then share it with you guys. But they are like cult status beauty products that are supposed to really help to fortify and give strength and growth to the hair and nails. So it's got 95% satisfaction. So I will report back full of vitamins, B2, B5, B6. I'll be excited. Oh gosh. Anyway, let's save the face for last and move on to beauty. I got one body product, and this is Nuxe Paris. This is the Gel Douche Fondant, which is the melting shower gel, and it's with almond petals and almond and orange flower petals. Soap-free formula. Oh, it smells really good. It's like a tad floral, but sweet, but not too floral. This was lovely. Of course, pink. Again, you'll see there's like a pink thing. I love pink. Y'all know that. So I'm excited to try this. I sometimes get a little curious if it's going to be foamy enough for me because I like that luxurious foam, but a lot of the French products don't have those like foaming agents in them. But it's supposed to be moussey, so we'll see. I'm excited to try it. Face. The next one you're gonna recognize too. You guys, I couldn't resist. This is kind of another cult beauty product that we'll all recognize. It's the Caudalie Eau de Beauté. I used this years ago. I had it when I first moved to LA, so when every time I spray it, it like brings back a memory because it's, first of all, it's the finest mist you've ever experienced. It's like this micro mist. But it's this like tingly, zesty, like slight mint scent. I love this. This is great for on a plane to help prevent topical water loss in the skin, and then just to give a nice glow, refresh you during the day. It feels great. Obviously, y'all know I'm gonna love this one. You don't need to hang on till the review. But fabulous product. Excited to, and the whole line in the drugstore. It's really amazing. The next one, Filorga Paris, is interesting. Again, probably caught my eye being pink. And it's called Oxygen Peel Reoxygenating Micro Peeling Lotion. Daily Renewal Complex with 6% peeling complex, hyaluronic acid, and oxygen captor. Check, 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 check. Yes, 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 please. We love that. Hyaluronic acid, exfoliation, oxygenating, sign me up. Burp. And it's got this little cotton pad disperser thing, so you just bloop, 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 press it down a couple times. And so super excited to have tried this. Kind of high expectations, which makes me nervous sometimes. But we shall see. So stay tuned. Last but not least, a lovely face cream. I know, also pink. I thought they went together, so it took a really pretty picture. This is Laboratoire Lerac, and it is hydrogenist. Moisturizing, oxygenating cream, hydrates, replumps, smooths wrinkles, and reoxygenates the complexion, normal to dry skin. Lovely, sounds delicious. Let's take a look at the texture. I was super excited to try this. I love, one of my favorite treatments at the studio is oxygen, so anytime I see oxygenating, I'm like, yes, 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 yes. So they had me when they mixed it with pink. I was just done. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that looks delicious. So I got a little right on the cap here. Let me feel this. Ooh, it's a really dreamy texture. Super silky. This would probably be like a day cream. I guess you could use it as at night too. So I'll try both and let you know which I prefer. It's not overly scented, maybe a little bit of like light fragrance, but the texture's really, really pretty, and I feel like it's gonna give some good glow. So, so we'll see. Anyway, you guys, that was my shopping in Paris. What did you think? I tried to get you guys a nice variety. I'm excited to report back on them. Have you tried these? Are you dying to try these? Let me know below. I'm excited to hear your feedback. And did I miss a must-have while I was there that I need to get to next time? Let me know. Hit me up on social media at Gregory Dillon Beauty, where you can keep up with all of my shenanigans and travel, like this time. And I love when you all say hello on there, so please do. Anyway, wonderful to see you. I will see you again soon, and keep it beautiful.